Fine, let me solve the problem number 14, which is asked in 2020 Sainik School, right? Right here, what we are supposed to do, you just check out. So subtract the difference of 8.382 and 7.942 from the sum of 5.675 and 1327. See here, first of all, we are supposed to find the difference here and as well as sum here, and then whatever the answer you are going to get, that should be subtracted, right? See, now let us check out this. There are 3 steps involved here. First of all, sum we need to find out. Sum of what? That is 5.675 plus 1.327, correct? Then difference we need to find out. So difference of what? That is 8.382 minus 7.942, right? Then whatever the answer you are going to get, you need to subtract it, right? That difference you need to find out, right? Let me go with the sum first. So that is 5.675 plus 1.327. Add it. 7 plus 5 is 12, 2, 1 carry, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 carry. So 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.002, we got the answer here. This is the sum of 5.675 and 1.327. That is 7.002. Now let me find out the difference of this. That is 8.382 minus 7.942, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0, right? 8 minus 4 is 4, correct? 3 minus 9 is not possible. You take a carry from here, right? This will become 7 and this will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 7 minus 7 is 0. This is 0.440. Now what we need to find? We have to subtract this. That is the third step, right? 7.002 minus 0.440. Now decimal is important, right? Now 2 minus 0, it is 2 only. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So what we will do? We will take a carry. 10 minus 4 will become 6, right? Now this will become 9, right? 9 minus 4 is 5. You have taken a carry from here. This will become 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. This is the answer. But you can cross check. If you add this and this, you should get this, correct? So 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry. 6 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. Yes, our answer is right. The answer here is option A. Hope you